Thank you. OIDEL is convinced that the realization of the SDGs from a human rights perspective requires the involvement and the consideration of all actors. Because of that, we celebrate that this intersessional meeting focuses on strengthening partnerships. We would like to talk about the importance of the link between SDG 17 and SDG 4 on quality of education. With the emergence of COVID, we have realized the critical importance of a common good approach for the realization of the right to education. Between the state and the children, many actors are essential to grant the realization of the right to education. Teachers, parents, communities, and many other non-state actors. In line with the recent document of the UNESCO, Futures of Education, to grant that the education remains a public, common good, it is essential to grant the participation of all actors. We encourage public authorities to cooperate through partnerships with all non-state actors to achieve SDG 4. One non-state actor is particularly important: parents. Due to the pandemic, parents have emerged once again as solid actors to grant the education of most children. Moreover, children are not isolated islands. Most of the discriminations suffered by children are shared with their families. In most cases, it is the parents that are the first one to know this, share the suffering, and fight the struggles of their children. In different researches of OIDEL, we have realized the importance of taking into account parents and hearing their voice in the realization of the right to education. We encourage the international community to build a framework in which parents can exercise their choices and make their voice heard in order to grant the full realization of SDG 4.